All right, so this is Pittsboro home, Rosedale Way by Pulte. I think this one's called the Continental. I actually just walked through this part already and forgot to film, so I'm coming back. But this is the entryway. I love a defined entryway. We've got a formal dining room here. Like, probably wouldn't keep it as one, might make it into a study. Who knows? Who knows, actually? Because it does have this really useful pass through to the kitchen, this butler's pantry area, and I like it. So the like really expensive houses, they all had butler's pantries with second sink, second oven. And Mom and I were just talking about how like we don't really need that as many people, but like this is like good usable space. Like you could put, unload the groceries here, a pizza box here, plug in the toaster or coffee pot here. This is nice. And we've got this convection oven, regular oven, and then this is the main living space. My mother dressed in a beautiful yellow shirt. Then you got this freezer in the bottom, French doors. And you got your book. So counter space, gas stove, eat-in kitchen. So I wouldn't lose anything if I made the dining room something else. I love that there's a fireplace. Out here, we have a back deck. And I like, oh, look at this. Okay, this is nice.
Yeah.
This is like a little office kind of nook.
Right at that would be, I guess, the garage,
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. So, I mean, I like that they thought of putting this office nook here, but I think practically, if I were like on Zoom working, I would not want it to be off the living room and the kitchen, because you're forever competing with anybody who's making any sort of noise, watching any sort of TV, cooking. Like it's just kind of not practical.
But for someone like me, I would love it.
Because what, you want permanent distraction from your work? Because that's what this is. This is permanent distraction from your work.
Yeah, but I'm a single person, so who's distracting me? My cat.
Yourself. And this must be the garage.
Be the garage.
This would be the garage, but it's like an office because this is a model home.
I love it because it would be dead space.
I think it is nice that they did something because it would be dead space, but I don't think it's a practical spot for like office or even like homework if it's like a kid. I like that they have this entryway here for this.
If you're cooking or something, you would be like, let me see your problems.
No, I wouldn't because I'd be cooking.
Or I would be like uploading something
Coat closet.
and cooking at the same time and watching TV.
Yeah, and that's exactly what I do. I love the windows here at the dining area. Just wanted to. I don't think it's a practical thing for most people. Distraction and chaos. Okay, so this is a bedroom that they have set up as an office. An office with like a wall and a door, which is like what an office should be. Oh, and a closet. It's a closet. Oh, it's a big understairs closet. So I think this is like a guest suite, maybe. Got a shower here. That's nice. And then a linen closet. Oh, my shoelaces are untied. Okay. I do like this living space. I think this is like very good livable space. I mean, it's nice that they didn't have this as dead space, but it's just like, what work are we doing here? So up these stairs. Mom doesn't like when the stairs point towards the front door, so it's nice that these ones don't. Only because she can't. I think it's bad feng shui, actually.
My favorite upstairs, period.
Oh, look at that.
The whole layout is
Yeah, so upstairs, I love this like landing flex bonus space. This is great family space. It's got a nice storage closet. I like how they staged it. I like this. This is like a nice comfy couch to lay in. Don't quit your daydream. They've got a little record player. And lots of great natural light from these windows. So you can really do all sorts of things with this space. Could be like game area, movie area, music. And then we've got bedrooms set up to be kid room. This kid loves soccer. Ooh, and you have an ensuite. Nice ensuite. Really nice. Good sized tub. Like bigger than my tub. So you have a nice soak after you're done with your soccer game. So there's one bedroom downstairs. And that's one bedroom, kid bedroom. And this is another bedroom. Oh, that's cute. We've got really big closet. So I'll put the kid that needs more closet space here. And then there's like a sink. And there's no door. Is this a pocket door? It's like nothing. No door here. But it's like a Jack and Jill bedroom with this other. So here's the toilet and the bathtub. And then that's a sink there. And a sink here. And another, not as big as that closet. So that one is the biggest closet. And this one, these two kids share this bathroom. That kid has their own bathroom. And then there is, upstairs laundry room. We've talked about this in the other videos. I love an upstairs laundry room. I think it's so much more convenient. My laundry is downstairs, and I'm always having to, carry it all up and down the stairs. It sucks. Nice deep sink. And the washroom, plenty of storage to store all your detergents and whatnot. Excellent. Love that. And this, the owner suite.
Get the ceiling in there too.
Oh, look at that. That's a nice ceiling. Ooh. Gotta get the whole thing. Very nice. This is nice. I guess I'll start on the right. Look at that. There's another little private sitting area. I think this is nice because you can also make this into an office space. So one of the bedroom downstairs they had done up as an office. I would probably leave that as a guest room because it has its own, it has a bathroom there. This is a good size office space, honestly. Do I love an office in the bedroom? I mean, as long as nobody else is sleeping while I'm working. I actually think this is great because you don't have to sacrifice a bedroom for an office, and it's still very private and closed off and quiet. And you've got great natural light here in this space. I like it. I don't mind it. I think that's a fine office space. Yeah, I think it's fine for an office. We've got two walk-in closets here. We've got a separate room. I love when they have the toilet in a separate room. Grandma and Grandpa, if you see this, I like how they have that. And we can contain the toilet energy. And then we have a separate shower and tub. And I think that's also great because, they're just different. They're just different. Just separate this out. I love that. I love when they separate the shower and tub. So we've got double vanity. We've got me. Hi. And we've got another walk-in closet and a nice big tub. I've been kind of disappointed at how many of these Parade of Homes houses, even the nice ones, don't have a big tub in the owner suite. They'll just do a big grand shower. And I think there's a class of people who don't take baths, and when they design it, they don't realize how very important a bathtub is. I love this. It's got this nice backrest. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the arch of the faucet. I also even I've also noticed a lot of the bathtubs have a huge window in front of them. And while that looks nice, it's just not great for practicality. I don't want a giant window where I'm bathing and showering and stuff. So this is good because it allows some light to come in, but there's no peeping toms. So this is the bathroom. I really like this. I think this is a great layout, very functional. I like the downstairs. I think the idea of having that little office nook off the garage is a little bit silly because it's a terrible place to work because everybody in the living area and the kitchen is going to bother you. But this makes up for it, I think. This would be a much better place to work. And then there's this whole upstairs landing space. It's just got really great family space, I think. This is good. You can have a public entertaining area down the stairs and a little family area in this landing. I think that's great. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom downstairs. Could be for guests or another office. So it's like 5 bedrooms and a lot of flex space to do with different things with. So this is a really cool house. I like it. I think this is a nice layout. All right, and that's it.
I said this is my favorite layout. Everything here makes sense. Just very practical. I could see like the spaces being used. I don't feel like anything is extraneous. I don't feel like anything is just put there for show. There's multiple desks. Did you notice up in the sitting room up there, there's also a desk area?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like that. I think that's such a great office space.
You can see the Christmas tree here. You can see the Christmas tree in the corner. I like that you can sit 3 different areas around the TV and the fireplace, and also have your like dining here. Just everything seems to make sense. I don't know, like 5 bedrooms is a lot for me, but
1 guest room, 1 owner's. Yeah, you have a lot of kids.
5 bedrooms is a lot, but I love how they did the Jack and Jane bathroom up there. That makes sense. Like the best.
Oh, these are all of their Parade of Homes ribbons.
Yeah, I saw that.
Got special feature. They got.
Look at this area with people to put their shoes, like, you know.
Yeah.
Even if
that's important.
Even if they come in this way, it's right there, you know. Mm-hmm. There's nothing else that.
I like that there's space for an eat-in kitchen here in case I want to get rid of the formal dining room situation.
Yeah, so,
else.
I assume that this is that's out to the garage, but this room over here that they're using for a sales room would be another space.
And that's why this house is like $700,000.
Yeah.
That's a lot of space.
That's a lot of space, but it's so smart though.
Yeah, and I do really appreciate all the natural light, all these windows, these huge windows.
Just wondering if that's a load-bearing wall. Yeah, because I would want that opened up so you have more light even.
Even more light.
Nice. And then you have a porch.
Of course, and a deck.
Deck in the back and a porch in front.
Love my porch.
Let's see.
So I can wave at my neighbors in the Dickerson houses over there. Yeah, this is nice.
So you'd have the garage.
Yep. Oh, this is the house that's right next to the one we just saw, that Pulte house that Mom said is her favorite layout, and she just wanted to pop in here too. I don't know if this is the same or different from the one we just did, or if it's like the same house with tweaks. We like this porch. We talked about like what they might be building in that lot, but this is also Pulte, same builder, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, yeah, this layout is different. So I guess this would be a room because the garage is that way. And then, okay, so I think this is that first floor guest suite in the other house. Oh, I like the kitchen.
Did you shut the door?
Well.
Yeah, I was leaving it open.
Okay. We've got a good sized pantry.
So you see how it immediately feels different, like shallower than the one next door?
The layout is different. So that's where you come in from the garage, and storage under the thing. Same little place to put your stuff. And then a very similar office. This one's more enclosed than the other one, but I still think it's the same issue, which is that like ideally your office space wouldn't be open to the main living area because then you're fighting with everyone over noise. But I like the stairs. That looks like a fun little halfway up. So we got this. Yeah. I can see the similarities to next door and why the next door won the silver award. So, first floor owner suite. Okay. She's got a big tub. Okay, so this is the first floor owner suite. That's a difference between next door. And it looks like they just have one giant closet instead of two big closets. And then you put your toilet paper in here. Okay, this is nice to compare how like small differences in the layout can big impact. Go upstairs real quick. So since the owner's suite is downstairs, there should be fewer bedrooms up here. Okay. So we also have a great big second floor bonus space, which I love. And then we have the bathroom, like, oh, right immediately here. Big tub. Not like a garden tub, but definitely deeper than standard. I like that. I love these like little doors to the attic space. That's so fun. Linen closet. Whew. And then we've got bedroom. There's a duck. Good choice for staging. Ooh, window in the closet. And this other bedroom. Closet space. So I like that so far. Both of the do both of the kids' bedrooms have en suites, or was it just this one? I thought it was interesting that one of the kids' bedrooms upstairs in the other house had an ensuite, and the other one had a Jack and Jill. Like, one kid has to share, and the other two. Or one kid doesn't have to share, and the other two have to. And this is another bedroom, but they've set this up to, like, advertise stuff about the builder.
Quality in every square foot.
Yeah. All this stuff. That's nice.
I like that.
Closet. All right, cool.